Hello, my name is Hiba Saleh, and this is my mother.
Hello, I'm Muhammad Said Fagir.
We've been clients. My mom has been a patient with Caring for the past 2 years. It's been a wonderful experience. I have so many words of praise and admiration to give to Caring. When my mom moved to live with me in Charlotte, North Carolina last year, because Sudan our home country has been in war, we really did not have a plan, to continue her medical care because she is a refugee, and through the immigration system, there's many gaps where her health insurance would be so difficult for me to cover financially. Caring came into the picture and took care of that part of my mother's health care. We're just a text away from her physician, a nurse practitioner, and she is part of a very competent network of physician providers where they address her many complicated medical health care needs. I would not know what to do. Even though I come from a background of health, I would not know what to do had it not been for Caring and the services that they've been able to provide for my mother. Her health has improved tremendously. A lot of her chronic conditions have been under control, improving. The quality of her life is a lot better than when she first came to the U.S., and we're very grateful to Caring and their existence. I give them my full support. I'm their biggest advocate. They feel a need in so many groups in our community that it is unacceptable that they don't get the support and funding and support and backup that they need. It's a wonderful model that needs to be scaled and expanded within North Carolina, and I would say the rest of the U.S., because, had we been in any other state or any city, it would be the same problem of not fitting within the typical insurance pockets, and then having to bear the cost of healthcare out of pocket is catastrophic spending. It will cause us to be bankrupt, basically.
Wow, amazing. Great answer. So my understanding is that you work with LISC. Talk to us about the partnership between Caring and LISC, and in your own words, and again, you're part of LISC, and then the Uber Rides program.
So LISC, Local Initiative Support Cooperation, the Charlotte office opened in 2019. We focus on community development. We're a CDFI, Community Development Financial Institution. It's a long name to say that we're a community bank. However, we do more than provide financial solutions and resources to community groups. We connect our partners that are doing great work on the ground to resources that otherwise they would not have access to. One of the initiatives that I am very proud of facilitating here locally is a partnership between Caring and our health department at our national office. I forgot to mention that LISC is a national organization headquartered in New York City and has 38 offices around the U.S. So part of the work that we do is, like I mentioned, facilitate resource access between funders and local partners who are doing great work on the ground. One of those efforts is the Health Access Fund that provided Caring with funding to where they are able to provide free rides, Uber rides, to clients to attend medical appointments, go do testing, even go shop for groceries and food, or go get to the place where they are having an employment interview. All the health drivers or social determinants of health elements and services is a qualifying criteria to get those Uber rides through Caring, and this free service for clients here in Charlotte have been provided and covered by LISC National.
Wonderful. Lastly, we're pretty painless, huh? Lastly, is there anything Mom would want to say?
Yes.
And if you want to interpret, that's great.
Absolutely, yes.
All right.
يا ماما عايزة تقولي أي حاجة لناس كيرينج العيادة والدكاترة.
يعني بستان كان مشكور جدا على اهتمامهم وخدماتهم الممتازة، ودائما مهتمين وبيهتموا بالمرضى وبيهتموا بالمريض. شكرا جزيلا.
My mom wants to thank Care Ring for the care and the services that they are providing for patients. They're always concerned and they care about the patients and they support them. She's very thankful for the quality of care and support she received from Care Ring.